We will begin by locating the driver's side front turn signal. Open the hood to gain access. Locate the front turn signal socket harness. Rotate the socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Remove the incandescent light bulb. Install the LED canvas light bulb. Test the bulb, and you will notice no hyper-flashing for this model of LED bulb. Remember to align the 4 locking tabs on the socket with the housing opening upon reinstallation. Insert the new LED light bulb into the light housing and twist clockwise. Now, let's repeat the same steps on the other side. Locate the front turn signal socket harness. Rotate the socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Remove the incandescent light bulb. Install the LED canvas light bulb and test it. The new LED bulb has no hyper-flashing. Insert the LED light bulb into the light housing and twist clockwise to lock it into place. Now you can see the difference between ALA lighting LED light versus the incandescent light. ALA lighting advanced LED lights for automotive.